Hello everyone and welcome back to RiceFix, and I'm sure that you have seen many videos to repair your faded headlights, but in this video I will tell you 5 reasons why your headlight fades. So before getting started, please hit that like button because you know how much time and effort it takes to prepare one video. There is no need to tell y'all, but it is a humble request to please like the video. So let's proceed to the number 1 reason why your headlight fades. If you have replaced your original bulb with a high watts bulb, for example, if your original bulb was around 60 to 65 watts and you have replaced it with a 130 to 135 watts bulb, then our plastic headlights are not designed to take double the amount of heat which is produced by the extra watt bulb, which makes it our number 1 reason for our headlights to fade. So the number 2 reason why your headlight fade is if you are parking your car in an open space where there is no shade and whole day your car stays there parked in that hot sun. Likewise, the sun fades away the paint. It's the same way it fades away your headlight as well. So the number 3 reason why your headlight fade is if you are driving your car at night a lot, because of which you have to keep your headlights on for a long time and you drive most of the time in the night, then that is one reason why your headlights fade faster. So the number 4 reason why your headlight fade is if your headlight is on and you are standing in front of your headlight and talking to somebody, or if your headlight is on and if you have placed a cloth on top of your headlight, then that is a very big reason for your headlight to fade faster. Because what happens is when your headlight is on and if you are standing in front of the headlight or if you have placed a cloth, then the heat of the headlight concentrates near the headlight glass, which makes too much heat in front of the glass, causing it to fade faster. So never stand in front of the headlights while the headlights are on. And the number 5th reason why your headlight fade is if you are washing your headlights or the entire car with a detergent or a dishwash soap, then this detergent or a dishwash soap is very strong. It can fade your paint or clear coat very easily and it will fade your headlights very fast. So never use a detergent or a dishwash soap to wash your vehicle or the headlights. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I am so grateful that you have watched the entire video. So if you want to watch more videos like this, just click on the links on the side and you can watch more videos. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button to get notification of my latest video so that you don't miss it. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out until we meet again.